In today's video, we'll take a look at the top 5 gas pressure washers on the market right now. We compiled this list based on our own experiences, research, and client feedback. When narrowing down the top options, we took into account their quality, features, and values. If you want more information, or updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to click on the links in the description box below. So, with no further ado, here are the top 5 best gas pressure washers. Coming in 5th place on our list is the BLUBERY GSW02A. We've all experienced how pleasant it is to witness something go from dirty to perfect in a matter of seconds. There is no other product out there that can provide you with that satisfying experience in your own home like a pressure washer. With its 4-stroke engine producing up to 7 horsepower, a high-pressure 3,500 psi output, and a water flow of 2.6 GPM, the BLUBERY makes it simple to remove tough dirt. We like that this pump system uses a horizontal shaft, which means that its service life and cleaning ability are boosted by 100% when compared to standard pumps, and it is efficient and sturdy. It even comes with a 50-foot hose to increase your working range and make your job easier. We discovered that the comfortable height design suits the needs of everyone. Furthermore, the big wheels and trolley-style movable design allow you to move more quickly and steadily in the yard for optimal efficiency. Furthermore, by selecting the appropriate nozzle based on your demands, the performance of this unit is great for cleaning sidings, driveways, houses, automobiles, RVs, walls for paint preparation, and more. We honestly believe that this gadget is an excellent choice for all types of households. Its advantages are: it has a powerful output, it features a long-lasting pump design, and it is easily portable. Yet its hose wrap design isn't especially user-friendly. The BLUBERY GSW02A is great for homeowners who wish to thoroughly clean their entire property from top to bottom. Coming up next in 4th place is the Westinghouse Outdoor. Because of their strength, gas pressure washers are most commonly utilized by experts. Still, the greater power means you must be extra certain of its quality, in order to avoid flaws or harm. Assuming you've been looking for a powerful cleaning tool for activities like blasting oil stains off the driveway or removing tenacious tree sap from the patio. If this is indeed the case, choosing this professional-grade gas pressure washer from Westinghouse Outdoor is one to seriously consider. It's one of the most powerful machines we've tested. Thanks to its 3,200 psi high-pressure output and 2.5 GPM flow rate that appears to be able to clean everything without any effort. Furthermore, with a weight of 63 pounds and a sturdy steel frame design, this item is meant to last. Not only that, but with its 12-inch high-profile design and never-flat wheels, it's quite easy to move and handle despite its heavy-duty construction. The device is further complemented by some superb ergonomics, such as the padded grip and straightforward trigger, which we found significantly reduces hand fatigue. Its key advantages are that it is highly powerful, that it is well made, and that it is ergonomically designed. On the other hand, the assembly and usage directions are a little unclear. The Westinghouse Outdoor is a device made to last that will serve you well no matter how much pressure washing you have to do. The third product on our list is the Teen. Whatever you need to clean, a gas-powered pressure washer like this one from Teen will make your life simpler and save you a lot of time. This unit is basically a professional-grade piece of equipment. That means it's definitely more than the average homeowner needs, but it is still a terrific choice for anyone who prioritizes performance and strength above all else. This device is great for a variety of chores, from cleaning concrete sidewalks to blasting caked-on dirt off automobiles, thanks to its 4,200 psi output and 3 GPM of intense, deep cleaning water pressure. The Teen can handle whatever job you throw at it thanks to its 5 nozzles that let you adjust the angle between 0 and 40 degrees. Not only that, but this gadget includes 2 onboard detergent tanks to help you handle even the most difficult stains. Furthermore, we like how little maintenance this pressure washer requires. This is due to the OHV Technologies pump's uniquely constructed die-cast aluminum crankcase, which eliminates the need for oil changes. By any standard, this is a very reliable device. It has the following advantages: it is ideal for professional usage, it has a variety of nozzle attachments, and it has a maintenance-free pump system. However, if you've never used a pressure washer before, it might be difficult to control. The Teamed is a heavy-duty machine that is suitable for folks who own big rural estates. Conquering the second place on our list is the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125. This next unit is a complete beast. With its Honda GC 194-stroke engine powering the maintenance-free pump, you can be confident that it has the power for even the most difficult work. This gadget also comes with a soap siphon hose, allowing it to be utilized for lower demanding applications. The MSH3125 Mega Shot's amazing cleaning capabilities are one of our favorite characteristics. It really sets it apart from the competition. When it comes to sheer cleaning performance, this model is impossible to top. It has more than enough power for almost any consumer-level endeavor. The wheels on this Simpson pressure washer are made of metal rims and inflated rubber tires, as opposed to the hard plastic wheels seen on most other pressure washers, making it simpler to maneuver over difficult terrain. We liked having a unit with so much extra power since you can still tone it down by utilizing a nozzle with a broader angle to broaden the spray and reduce the pressure for lighter applications. It has the following advantages: it is highly sturdy, it can handle uneven or cracked terrain, and it is suited for both heavy and light work. However, when it is turned on and running, it is rather loud. If you require a workhorse pressure washer for daily usage, the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 is the device for you. Before we disclose our number one pick, make sure to read the description below for the most updated prices on each of these products. Also, if you want to stay up to date with all the latest products on the market, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Finally, our top pick for this top 5 best gas pressure washer list is the Champion Power Equipment. One of the most crucial aspects of pressure washers is their ease of use. There's nothing worse than having a large job ahead of you and spending half the day trying to get the unit to function. Fortunately, this Champion Power Equipment tool has been designed to be user-friendly. It features a wheelbarrow design that gives it movement and stability. Meanwhile, the sturdy steel frame ensures durability, and the reversible handle adds to the adaptability. When stowed, the device is also less bulky due to the different positions. In addition, the Champion 100,790 has a maximum water pressure of 4,200 psi. This means it has one of the highest psi values of any gas-powered device in this category. Furthermore, when paired with its detergent pipeline function, you know it'll be effective against even the toughest stains. Finally, we appreciate the ergonomic comfort grip trigger, which reduces hand strain, as well as the onboard storage for the high-pressure hose. Overall, we thought it to be an excellent blend of power and usability. Its advantages are as follows: it is easy to move around, it is really well manufactured, it has a very high pressure output, and its user-friendly design is unmatched. However, its pull cord might wear down over time. The Champion Power Equipment gas-powered pressure washer is great for homes and businesses looking for efficiency and convenience. That's all we've got for you for now. Thank you for tuning in. If we were helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next videos.